So what's up everyone, by the way, good evening. My name is Neijan Jae D Sumayang from BSED 2A and I created this video because we are going to discuss about the human activities that disrupts the water cycle, and right after that, we are going to find and cite examples explaining the proper solutions to mitigate these impacts. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first thing we are going to do is to find or to discover and clarify what are the major problems or what are the major factors that affects or disrupts the water cycle. So now we are going to talk about the deforestation. Trees absorb water and release it as vapor through transpiration, contributing to humidity and rainfall. Removing them reduces the process, leading to less rainfall and drier conditions. So the next one, the urbanization. Paving surfaces like roads and buildings prevents water from soaking into the ground, increasing surface runoff and decreasing the amount of water that can recharge groundwater aquifers. So the third one is the pollution. Industrial and household waste as well as fertilizers from agriculture can contaminate rivers, lakes, and groundwaters, affecting the quality of water that evaporates and return as precipitation. So the fourth one is the climate change. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, leading to a warmer climate. This can alter global precipitation patterns, increase evaporation rates, and lead to more frequent and intense extreme weather events like droughts and floods. So right now we are done discussing about the human activities that disrupts the water cycle. Now let's move on and cite the examples of how to minimize human disruption for water cycles. Okay. For urbanization, the first one is to create green infrastructure, implement green roofs, rain gardens, and permeable pavements in urban areas. These features mimic natural landscape by absorbing rainwater, reducing runoff, and recharging groundwater. Second one is to improve stormwater management. Invest in updated stormwater drainage systems and detention basins that can effectively manage runoff and prevent flooding. The third one is to promote water-efficient landscaping. Plant a native, drought-resistant species to reduce the need of excessive irrigation. And for the solution for deforestation, the first one is to protect and restore forests. Conserve existing forest lands and invest in reforestation and afforestation projects to restore natural water regulation. Promote sustainable forestry. Adopt selective logging and other sustainable practices that do not clear-cut large areas. So for climate change, the first one solution is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Decrease reliance on fossil fuels by investing in renewable energy and improving energy efficient in homes, transport, and industry. Improve water conservation. Conserve the water at home and at the corporate level to reduce strain on freshwater resources. This includes fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and recycling water. Enhance water storage. Build a resilient water system including storage reservoirs to adapt to variable precipitation patterns and ensure a stable water supply. So now let's talk about the pollution. To prevent pollution in the water cycle, it is essential to adopt sustainable practices and take personal responsibility